Hi again, everybody. Today we're going to be making a Rainbow Loom Terraria jellyfish. They are really easy, easier than the Demon Eye. Watch my other video, or I've Cthulhu. It doesn't really matter. And let's get started. Please subscribe. Today I'm going to be using yellow bands. That's not the original colors, but I don't care. You're going to place right here. You're going to be going double bands. Move my loom box over there. Do this. Place another band right there. I'm going to be placing your double bands, 3 bands down. 3 pegs. No, 4 pegs down. So you're going to get your double bands. Put them like this. Get 2 more bands. Then you're going to place them here. And then this is how it should look right now. You're just going to do 3 down, and then 3 down. And you're going to get 2 more bands. 2 more. The bands are all stuck together, sorry about that. Then you're going to make a triangle shape. Then you're going to get 2 more. You're going to make another triangle shape. And then we're going to be done with that. Now we're going to be placing our cat bands down at the very end. There's my hook. Wait a second, guys. I got to go get my hook. See you back when I get my hook. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back with my hook. As you can see, it's not the original Rainbow Loom hook. So, we're going to be placing our cat bands at the very bottom, right here. We're going to put our loom aside. We're going to be doing this. You're going to be looping it 2 times. And you're going to get your loom and you're going to place it the very bottom tentacle pieces. It's right there. Put it on top of there. Put this down. If you didn't see, I did this. Then you're going to place it on here again. Wait a second. I'm going to be placing it on your little end of the tentacle. You're going to get 1 more. 1, 2, wait, 1, 2. You're going to be placing it on your last bottom tentacle. Now we are going to be looping our bands. Going to pull back the bottom 3, get these 2, loop forward. This is so easy to make. Please subscribe. You're going to be looping that. You're going to get 3 more, pull back, pull forward. You see I messed up. That cat band came off of its peg, so it doesn't matter if it does. You can still loop that forward. Take this, pull it forward. You're going to be taking this, loop that forward. Then you're going to loop your middle loop. Whoops. Guess I should have pushed that down a little bit farther. I have to redo this. Wait a second, guys. I'm gonna get my middle. I'm on my. I'm gonna be looping the bands forward, then the bands forward. Your loom should look like this. Little jellyfish friend. You're gonna need 3 more bands, and that's all you're gonna need. So you're gonna. Oh no, wait! I need my loom. Gonna loop in here. Put this band right here. Bring that back in. Put it right here. Take top band. Pull that out. Reach under all the bands. You're going to be getting this. Pull that out. Then we're going to be looping the last one. This is really easy. Share this video with your friends if they play Terraria and they really like it. They can watch my videos. Pull this, and then my top band, pull that. Now I'm going to be taking my little jellyfish off the loom. You're going to have to straighten him out real good when you take him off. You're going to be taking him off. Gotta stretch him out. Gotta pull him. Then you gotta straighten it out. And you're gonna have your little jelly. Please subscribe. Bye.